Hi, once again welcome back to my channel, A Learning Express. Today we are going to learn the meaning, sentence and example of 5 new vocabulary. The words are gritty, eradicate, tenant, avert, agility. Let's get started. The very first word is gritty. Synonyms: brave, rough, courageous. Meaning: having strong qualities of tough, uncompromising realism. Meaning of gritty: someone who is gritty is brave and determined. Let's see one example for better understanding. Gritty is showing bravery and spirit when you stick with something no matter how scary or difficult it is. That is gritty. Let's put it in a sentence. We have to prove how gritty we are. Next word, eradicate. Synonyms: remove, destroy, eliminate. Meaning: to get rid of something completely or destroy something bad. To eradicate something means to get rid of it completely. Let's see one example. To eradicate, it's defined as to completely destroy or wipe something out. Let's put it in a sentence. These inserts are very difficult to eradicate. Next word, tenant. Synonyms: opinion, principle, belief. Meaning: one of the principles on which a belief or theory is based. Meaning of tenant: a principle or belief, especially one of the main principles of a religion or philosophy. Example: the tenets of the theory or belief are the main principles on which it is based. Sentence: we cannot discuss the basic tenets of religion. Next, avert. Synonyms: stop, avoid. Meaning: to prevent something bad from happening. Meaning of avert: if you avert something unpleasant, you prevent it from happening. Example: if you avert your eyes or gaze from someone or something, you look away from them. Let's put it in a sentence. She apologized to avert trouble. Another sentence: he kept his eyes averted. Last word, agility. Synonyms: activity, alertness, quickness. Meaning: the ability to think quickly and clearly. Meaning of agility: ability to think and understand quickly. Example: agility is the ability to be quick and graceful. The gracefulness of a person or animal that is quick and nimble. Let's put it in a sentence. She shows great agility on the tennis court. That's all for today. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Stay connected for more videos. Thank you for watching.